Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, I welcome you all, intermediate, first year students, all groups, to the online Arabic class number 7. This is our 7th class. In our earlier classes, we had studied about the importance of language, Arabic alphabet, and shapes of Arabic alphabet, independent letters with the same basic structure, and non-connector letters. We were learning about the short vowels in our last class, as you remember. We were learning about the short vowels. In Arabic, earlier the script of Arabic was not indicated with the vowels and diacritical marks. Earlier, they were not put on them. Like we have the scriptures, old scriptures of Bible, old scriptures of Quran. We cannot find any vowel on them or the dots. We cannot find dots also, and we cannot find vowels also. Without the vowels, without the dot, they were habitual of reading the text. But they were Arabs, but to the non-Arabs, it was very difficult. That is the reason vowels are introduced to the Arabic language. They were there, but they do not use them. They used to read the text without the vowels. They supply the vowels from the previous knowledge. They were habitual of that. But for non-Arabs, it was very difficult to read the text. So the method of putting the vowels has introduced to the Arabic language, especially for the learners and for the holy books like Quran, and most of the prophetic traditions are written with the vowels. So to avoid the mispronunciation of the words, if we are pronouncing incorrect, then meaning will be changed. For example, in English we have fit and fat. Fit without the extension of the letter, and fat is with the extension of the letter. Similarly, if we pronounce inna, it means verily, certainly, surely, undoubtedly. It means that. But if we lengthen the letter a bit, for example, inna, if we lengthen the letter, the meaning will be changed. The meaning will be changed. What is the meaning? Inna means indeed we are, indeed we, beshak hum. Whereas inna is beshak, only beshak, no doubt. But inna, a bit extension, with a bit extension, it means indeed we, beshak hum. This translation occurs. Now, for example, we can take another example and so on, but we were studying about the vowels. Okay. What are vowels here in Arabic text, in the Quran and in the prophetic tradition, and for the beginners of Arabic, vowels are being used to avoid mispronunciation. And for the children, in the children books, we compulsorily use vowels to guide the pronunciation of the children. In this way, okay, uh, we have two types of vowels in Arabic, as we learned in our earlier class. We will continue in this class the same. If the time permits, then we will start the long vowels also. We will start the long vowels if the time permits. If not, then we will, in our last class, we were studying about the fatha. We had learned about the fatha vowel. Alif fatha a, ba fatha ba, like this. So these diacritical marks are being used to guide pronunciation of the non-Arabs, particularly non-Arabs. Okay. What are the diacritical marks? Diacritical marks means distinguishing symbols. Diacritical marks means distinguishing signs. Every consonant has to take the burden of a vowel. Every consonant has to take a burden of one vowel. Without a vowel, if a consonant is without a vowel, then it is marked as a jazm on it. Jazm means sukoon. How we will write the sukoon? Sukoon is a half circle mark, or you may say it is a short V. Short V mark is put on the letter to indicate that that letter is silent, no sound. It is silent letter, no sound. When it will become active, inactive letter, we may say, if we put a jazm on ba, letter ba, then it becomes inactive, no vowel on it. It denotes that it has no vowel. Then how could we pronounce the letter? We cannot pronounce it. Okay. Then if we join the previous letter with the fatha or with the kasra to ba, then it will become active. For example, ba, alif, ba, zabar, ab. Then the ba sound comes out. Sakin means it is a silent letter, still letter.